It's Chase here with Nitrous Express, and in today's video we're going to be checking out the Billet Aluminum LT4 Supercharger Lid. The Billet NX LT4 lid replaces the factory supercharger lid on a GM LT4 Supercharger for a quick and clean install. The improved airflow design of the lid increases up to 25 horsepower by itself. The LT4 lid features integrated nitrous ports. The integrated nitrous ports don't restrict or block airflow like traditional spray bars. The nitrous spray bar system injects the nitrous and fuel directly above the supercharger's air inlet right above the rotors, ensuring maximum cooling and proper nitrous to fuel distribution. The LT4 lid has 8 ports on the side of it, making it super simple and extremely easy to install water methanol. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The water methanol will be sprayed directly into the heated air charge where it will be most effective. This can be added to the lid anytime or purchased with the lid as a complete system. When purchased as a system, the water methanol is complete with pre-bent lines and includes a complete stage 2.5 snow performance system. This will come with everything needed for installation except the nozzles, being that it will change from application to application. The nitrous system comes complete with a billet aluminum and carbon fiber lightning solenoids, industry exclusive billet aluminum lightning 500 bottle valve, stainless steel braided line, stainless steel bottle bracket, wiring, switches, and jetting for 100 up to 300 rear wheel horsepower. For more information on the Billet LT4 Supercharger Lid, part number NX939WN, or the water methanol upgrade kit, part number SNO94701H, please visit nitrousexpress.com or call 1-888-GO-FAST-1. And as always, thank you for choosing Nitrous Express, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly videos.